Guess what time it is? It's time to say goodbye to the fan. So for a long time I've been wanting to put electric fans in the Tahoe. I just never really had an immediate reason, but I definitely been meaning to for well over 10 years. I just haven't gotten around to it. Apparently nobody else noticed either, because in the entire time I've been posting about this Tahoe, not one person has ever said a word to me about it until I took that fan shroud off to work on those new quad alternators. So yes, the plan all along was to pull this shroud off and put my electric fans on and get these alternators done. So don't worry, we're making it happen. It's gonna be a lot better. Hey bro, you should do E-fans, man. E-fans, I already know. Check this out. We got Brandon from Big Time Auto Electric out here, Sacramento, California. I've known Brandon for a long time. He comes rolling up in here with the sickest rides. Nothing smaller than a 22-inch wheel. No less than 8 cylinders, except today. We don't need to go into all that. I might have to go out there here in a minute. But I know who to call when I'm wanting to do something to my Tahoe like this. I'm fully capable of putting electric fans in this Tahoe myself, but I don't have any experience doing it. I've never had to do it before. So why not call someone that's done it a million times, someone that knows what they're doing? Matter of fact, I got the advice that I needed, because I would have been on eBay looking for some sort of a conversion kit. But the 2 or 3 people that I talked to that know exactly what they're talking about, they say, get this stuff stock out of another vehicle that has it and plug it in. That's the only way to go. So that's what we're doing. So what is this out of actually, Brandon?
03 and up, Tahoe, Silverado, equipped with electric fans, Escalades, Maoris.
Yep. So what are you doing here with this big, huge harness?
So the wiring for the fan, it comes out of, it's all tied into the headlight harness. So strip all the headlight stuff out, strip it down to the bare wiring for the fans, clean it all up, and install it.
All right, so this thing is just gonna plug right into the main computer and be done, and there's not gonna be any aftermarket tapping in, trying to make it work type of stuff, right?
Right.
Legitimate.
Exactly. Just like factory.
All right, man. See, the thing is, I got no experience doing this, but when you're all done, I'll know exactly what to do. But then I won't have to do it anymore. Oh, maybe KK's right or something, I don't know. Well, we'll just call you out and have you do it again for us.
All good.
Yeah. Sometimes it's not about whether or not I can do it, but keeping the next man busy on something that he specializes in is also a good thing. So, I mean, I could paint, I'm not very good at it. I could do upholstery, and I'm not very good at that too. But if I can get somebody else in on what I'm doing, that's always the best thing. That's what they do, you know what I mean? Get it done right the first time. All that stripping back, and this is what we're left with. The meat and potatoes. I knew you would know just what to do, man, when I called you.
Sure.
Yep. This ain't your first rodeo, is it?
Not at all.
All right, so you got a whole nother set of stuff here. What's this for, Brandon?
So this right here is the plug that goes into the ECM for the engine. You got to pull a pin, well, 2 pins out, and put them in the computer, the harness that's in the truck. That way the computer can control the fans like factory.
Okay. So this is the last we're gonna see of this fan, huh?
Yes, sir.
Turn it on. Let's just look at it real quick. Oh, she's ugly. Should be in the ignition, though.
Gotta get a little with it.
E-fans on the way. Quad brackets running good. All right, see you later, old mechanical fan. Nice knowing you. All right, man, do what you do. We good. Fan removal kit. Hey, I can make that on my fiber laser, I bet. Hey, I'm not kidding.
That needs to give it a smack.
Alright, let me go get that hammer real quick. Hold on. Yeah. See ya. Hey man, it's gone, Brandon. It's gone.
Out of there.
All right, now what's next, man? So sick. He's not tapping into the ECU.
Yep, about to do the tap in there.
Yes, there's the plug.
So I have these two wires with these two pins. What I got to do is add a wire into each plug. One's gonna control fan 1, one's gonna control fan 2.
Just like that, huh?
Yes, sir. So once the engine gets up to temperature, or when you kick the AC on, whatever needs to kick the fans on, the computer knows when to tell it to turn on. Straight like that.
So that relay box just snaps right in like it was meant to be, huh?
Meant to be.
Just like that?
Just like that. Run the wires down, connect them in, ground it, hook up the triggers, then we'll go into the tune.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, we're plugged in. I heard that thing snap. Everything all zip tied up, looking good. Nice and clean. The big time electric way. Yeah. Got a nice little main power wire right here. Nice little crimp. Of course, we use the biggest crimpers on the planet for that little thing, just because I can, and because I wanted to try it out. You guys are going to be seeing more of this real soon, as soon as I hit that big sky high 2-watt.
Do you have fuses like this?
What?
Do you have any fuses like these? We can go ahead and throw the battery back in now.
So a little test to make sure they're working before you finalize it.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Low speed fan.
Low speed.
Nice.
Oh yeah, I like the way that sounds.
Yes, sir.
Look good.
I'm gonna go ahead and finalize that, make the connection here, boom, then we'll do the computer side of everything.
So what are we doing right now? We're setting all the temperatures.
Yep, all the temperatures are set. We're gonna do a test run.
Those damn things are howling. Nice.
There.
So for anybody out there looking, I know I got these little wires on this big ass 14-volt battery. This is just temporary so we can make the truck work. It's all gonna be nice soon. Stay tuned for that. But all right, fans sound like they're working good. Stoked. This thing is not charging yet, so it's running strictly off the battery.
Okay.
So it should be fine though.
Okay.
14-volt battery. Go for it. I'm ready when you are. Alright, so we're gonna let this thing get up to temperature and see if those fans kick on. Make sure it's all working. I'm sure it does after watching you control everything like that. I just turned the AC on and the AC fan kicked on after a couple of seconds. So that's all working good. I'm gonna get a little bit of light on this subject real quick. So just waiting for it to get warm enough for that one to kick on or what?
That's second stage.
Yeah.
They're both on. It's just high speed, low speed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. I think we're probably pretty good enough to wrap this up. All done. Much better, much better. All right, man, we're all systems go or what?
All systems go. Fans wired in, computer's tuned up, good to go.
I love it, man. Thank you very much, man. You knocked it out of the park.
No
I knew you would.
Hey.
I knew I was calling the right person, and I'm glad I was right. So, and thank you very much.
Anytime.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Big Time Auto Electric, Sacramento, California. This ain't his first rodeo. He knows what he's doing, man. Yeah, hell yeah. Out.